duplicate folder in Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate folder in Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First of all you have to do is open up the Google Drive in your laptop or your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. In Google Drive, we don't have direct method or direct button to create the duplicate of a folder, but there is an alternative way to create a duplicate of a folder. So first of all, let's start by creating a new folder in Google Drive and name it folder 1. Now I will add some content to this folder. Now, in order to create the duplicate of this folder, the only alternative way is to create another folder and copy the content of this folder 1 to the newly created folder. And here's how you can do that. Now let me create another folder again. And I will name this folder as folder 2. Now again open the previous folder, select all the content and press Ctrl C. That will copy your items to clipboard. Now go back and I will open the next folder. Then simply press Ctrl V. And the content has been copied. Now we have the same identical folders with same content. So this was the way to create a duplicate folder in Google Drive. That's all for today's video and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.